You know, after experiencing letdown after letdown, heartbreak after heartbreak, you begin to wonder, does anyone want to love me? And you begin to remain in a state of wondering if you'll ever be able to reciprocate the same love with someone. If you'll be able to cherish someone and be cherished in return. And it may seem hopeless, honestly. But I, and so many other people, are living testaments to finding love. To finding someone who loves us for us, flaws and all. I know they say patience is a virtue, but sometimes it's a pain in the... If you get my drift. It's available. And it's out there for you. It's all in God's timing. All in good timing. And when you do get it, you'll be elated. You finally have the love that will be reciprocated for the remainder of your life.